Welcome to Designs for Strong Minds. I'd like to introduce you first to the paper and pencil exercises that I've developed to strengthen and enhance brain plasticity. The first group of exercises are categorized as visual imagery exercises. Visual imagery is the pictures that you have in your head. Visual imagery is the foundation of mathematics and abstract thinking. So we start visual imagery exercises with very simple shapes and reorienting these shapes so that the pictures in your head can be reoriented as well. The dots force the individual to look at part-whole relationships in a new way. The exercise creates the need for the individual to search for interconnections and meanings that do not necessarily stand out in the stimuli as virtual attributes. There is the need to link episodically perceived events into a system. This skill is a prerequisite for patterning and long-range planning. More advanced dots provide the opportunity to rehearse the need to segregate interwoven, overlapping elements that are very close to each other, yet belong to a different set or group of figures. The dots give the individual an opportunity to search for relationships where they are not immediately apparent. The next group of exercises that you're introduced to are comparisons, the ability to look at two images and to discriminate differences between the two images is very important in terms of developing a strong working memory. Strong Mind Puzzles has several levels: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. We start out with one variable. Find all of the images, for example, that are the same color. Find all of the images that are the same color and size. And as you're doing this exercise, you have to scan the haphazard orientation of all of the images. So in your mind, you have to say small, 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 small when you're looking for a certain size. Or I'm only looking for yellow, 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 yellow. I only want big blue, big blue, big blue. So this internal dialogue enhances your ability to strengthen short-term memory so that it can go to long-term memory. Next, let's look at analytical perception. Analytical perception is your ability to see part-whole relationships, to reorient shapes in your head. It's an enhancement of visual imagery. And we have series of exercises that give you an opportunity to rehearse this ability to see things from different perspectives. There are a number of exercises in each bundle. All of the exercises are different. In order to habituate new patterns of behavior, you have to have the opportunity to rehearse. Learning how to learning one of these skills, is very similar to learning a new sport. You have to rehearse different aspects of the sport before you play the game. So there are multiple opportunities for you to rehearse the same concept, doing it in many different ways so that this pattern of thinking is habituated and enhances your intellectual behavior.